Hi guys, welcome to my channel. Today the FII and DI activity, uh, the FII cash is about 2061 crores, and DI it has been shorted, and DI cash is in positive 1400 crores, and the FII future index is 2005 crores. Okay, and if you have not checked the SGX, you can check the SGX index in Google, and you will come to know. So based on SGX index, usually the market goes actually in the beginning of the day. So you can always follow the SGX index, and you can understand as to what where the market would trend. Okay, so this is the thing, and you can also uh, was a global market. Global market is this is the global market: Dow Jones and Nasdaq and FTSE, Russell 2000, Hang Seng and CAC 40. Okay, and TSX. So little bit idea you will get as to where the market would trend. Okay, and you can use this option, and then always remember that. When suppose for example you are you have a 4 days gap or 3 days gap, usually the market opens in negative. Okay, keep this kind of pattern happens, usually it happens in this way, but if in case it doesn't happen, try to use risk management. Okay, don't try to put a lot of money on that. Okay, try to use risk management. Okay, I'll just show you. Suppose for example, this was about it when the market opened. It went about 5 rupees. Okay, the previous close, if you see, the previous close was uh, the previous close was 295. Okay, this is the previous close 295. Okay, and it went about 5 rupees when the market opened. Now it's at 470. So I'll just show you a simple calculation. Okay, so this is way out of money. So it went over 3 rupees. So three. So suppose you take 3 and 25 and 20 lots. Okay, so it comes to about 1500. So if you had invested 1500 on Wednesday, you would have got 5 into 25 into 20. You would have got about 2500. So it's about 1000 rupees. Okay, 1000 rupees. So 2500 minus 1500. So it's about 1000 rupees you would have earned. Okay, you could have won 1000 rupees. So based on that you can work out something. Okay, and you need to use risk management. Risk management is very important. Whenever I tell you something, or if I suggest you something, don't try to put full money in that. Try to use risk management. Okay, I'll just share with you a little bit of risk management. So suppose for example you are earning about 1 lakh. Try to use 5000. Okay, 5000 maybe in options trading. Okay, or 5000 or something. Don't use 10,000. Okay, because 10,000 is again 10% of your income, so you might be needing money for some other purposes as well. So try to use 5000, and now with this 5000, no, you try to make it say thousand, because there's in a month there is five weeks. Okay, so approximately 5 weeks, so 5 Thursdays you get. So you try to use thousand per week. Okay, and try to use, if you're a new trader, try to just use expiry day. Don't try to trade on other days, because expiry day the market is very volatile. Only thing in expiry day is that it can go to zero, or it can go to 5 paise. Okay, but then during expiry it's very volatile, and you can make good amount of money. Only thing you need to do is you need to keep a track of the index. Okay, index, and that would help you out. Okay, so you just need to keep a track of index, and if you keep a track of index you will be able to make good amount of money. Okay, so how you keep a track of index, I'll just share with you a little bit. Give me one moment. Okay, now see, you need to just keep this in mind, that what the market is. The market is right now, it's going down by 264, 265. Okay, it's gone down by 265. So this is not important, the red thing is not important. You need to check this 17,210. So 17,210. So you need to have a little bit of idea as to whether the market will still go further down, or it will trend towards 18,000. Okay, little bit of that idea you need to have. Okay, so you need to have a little bit of idea, and you need to see what the news channel says. And mostly what happens is, whatever the news channel says, exactly opposite of that tries to happen, tends to happen. Okay, so just keep that in mind. And bank nifty is about 36,900, or close to 36,900. So you need to keep that a figure in mind. Okay, it's at 36,000, round about 36,900. Okay, need to keep a figure of that. You need to keep that in mind. Okay, so what happens is, So now right now is, I'll just talk to you a little bit of price decay also. So you see that, see this has gone down by 70%. Okay, the call price has gone down by 70%. So suppose for example anybody invest, okay, not you, but in anybody invest. So what was the previous close? We'll just check the previous close. Okay, the previous close was 38.80. Okay, somebody invested in the beginning of the day, start of the session at 38.80. Okay, I'll just okay, one sec. Okay, uh, so 3880 was the this. So this is the 38, this is the thing. Okay, this is the thing. So 3880 was the thing. Now it's 1145. Okay, so we'll just go there. 3880. So 3880, 3880. Okay, so into 25 into, so say if you took 4 lots. Okay, so it's about 3080. Okay, so if maybe you took 4 lots and you invested 3880. So what happened was this came down to 1145. Okay, so 1145 into 25 into 4, so it came to 1145. So uh, 3880 minus 1145, so it comes to about you lost about 2735. So what you need to do is you need to wait for some time and use price decay. Okay, so if you try to buy at this price 1140, you can make little bit of money, okay, on this. Okay, maybe the price now, this is at 70%, it's gone down by 70%. Maybe it could go a little bit up till 50%, or it could catch up, like, we don't know. Okay, you can just put, you can use that technique. Okay, or it could happen uh, vice versa. Okay, so but then you need to use risk management, don't use lot of money. Okay, don't try to use full money. Okay, if you're using 5000 per month as a capital, or to practice options trading, try to divide it by maybe 500 or 1000, like that. If you're a new trader, don't use big money. Okay, because your money can go very quickly, okay, in option trading. So you need to just use a little bit of risk management, little bit of common sense, and then you would be able to do well. Okay, and basic idea for me is uh, my subscribers should not lose even one amount of money. Maybe you should earn more, but they should not lose money. Okay, even if you lose money, it should be a small amount. You should not feel stressed about it. Okay, that it should be like you spend some money on the restaurant, or you spend some money on something to have, like it was a fun, like a fun game. Okay, so you should feel like that. Okay, so try to use a lot of risk management, and try to use money by that. So suppose you are like you are earning about 25,000 rupees or 50,000 rupees per month. You are earning say 25,000. Take a risk of say 2,000 per month, 2,000, and don't put the complete 2,000. Try to use 400. Try to use 400 per week. Okay, just try to trade during expiry day, because expiry day market is very volatile. Okay, try to use once a week. Try to trade one. Don't trade every day. Okay, just look at the market, see how you might feel tempted. You might feel, oh, I lost this opportunity, I didn't get. You might feel like that, but don't get into that temptation. Don't get into that temptation. Try to study the market completely, and then dive into the market. Okay, and many people don't know about the market, and many people who don't many traders who don't know about the many people who don't know, they want to become traders and all, they don't know about this, what happens in the market actually. So how they feel, how their emotions play a big game in you know in winning in the market. So your emotions are very important. If suppose some traders, when they lose money, they feel hurt, or they feel bad, and they feel dejected, and they feel down. So you have to be very careful when you are doing this stock trading. You need to divide, and you need to do a lot of calculation. You need to work on risk management. Okay, and try to use a mutual fund type of style. Okay, mutual fund, you invest, the minimum amount to invest is 1,000 or 2,000 or 5,000, and you can use that style, and you can break the amount, and you can use the trading, and you can do good business. Okay, so what I would suggest is that, try to use, if you're a new trader, try to use expiry day, and try to use end of the day for trading. Okay, and if you do that, you would save on lot of uh, time and energy. Okay, and little bit of, you'll have a little bit of stress free. Don't try to trade on Wednesday or Monday, or Tuesdays. Okay, try to use expiry day. Okay, for trading, and use price decay. Try to trade, even if you want to trade on Monday or Tuesday, try to use end of the day. Try to use BTSD if you're a new trader, if you feel. And always remember that if there is a holiday of 3 or 4 days, uh, mostly the market opens in negative. Okay, mostly the market opens in negative, so you can keep that pattern in mind. Okay, so with all these things, I will end this video right now. And if you have any questions or comments or something, you can write to me, and I will be happy to help you out with that. And if you're not subscribed to my channel, please subscribe to my channel, and I will keep you updated with more information. Okay, thank you.